thought I'd give you a tip on a way you can collaborate, work together at the same time without using email. Some of you are wondering how you're going to carry out this plan in a somewhat real-time environment. It's a different number of different methods, and we're going to show you one. And that's using Google Docs, or you could also use Microsoft Word. But let's use Google Docs. I think it'll be easier. So I'm in a document right now. I'm going to go create a new document. So we'll go to plans here. So I am actually going to go over to my app selection. I'm going to choose a doc from, I'm going to create a new one. And first thing I'm going to do is to name my document. So I'm going to call this our, if you got a team name, let's see, our teams, if you had your name, you could put it in, teams, oops, got carried away on the finger there. How about starting with an M, mold plan. Hit enter, and we're all set. Okay, so what I want to show you is come over here to this share button in the right corner. And I'm going to click on share, and that'll allow me to share it with others. See that? And if you enter the name of your partner that you're working with, or their email address, in this case you'd use your school email address. I'm going to use someone that's with us in our house, my daughter's boyfriend. Shh, don't tell anybody. Okay, here we go. It's J. At edu. Okay, and what I might do is say he's not available right now. You got to have the person be on the computer at the same time you're doing this so you can work together. So I might say, let's work on typing this at 9:45 this morning. Boy, oh boy, I'm having trouble today. And then you would say send. And off it goes. And this is warning me because he's not part of our school network. Are you sure you want to do this? And I say, yeah, because he's someone I'm collaborating with. And now up here it says I'm sharing with one person. Now, if you've got a number of people in your group, you could do this for each member to get started. And then when Jeff gets the message, it'll be coming as an email for you guys. I think this will work for you because you're in the school thing together. We'll give it a try. And if it doesn't work, we'll go to the discussion board and use that instead. All right, so see there, you just saw a note from Jeff. And see his name came up. I said, so I'll say hi back. Hi, Jeff. And you can see as somebody is typing, they have a different color. I gave him 3 Fs. How about that? I'm having trouble this morning with my typing. There we go. Sorry, Jeff. Now, my color will be, well, I'm not sure how my color comes up. So let's see if he can. There he is. And while he's typing, he can actually come up and I think probably change the word. So if I spelled something wrong, let's see. If I said mold and I got it wrong, and I just keep on typing blah 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 blah, he could, I think, come in there and maybe either see how you can go in there and he actually change the type. Isn't that wild? So you guys can use this as a way, and if there's 3 or 4 of you online, this is a real-time document that you can work on together. Same rules apply. Whatever goes onto this page gets saved, and there's a history that's kept. So if you use this appropriately, you're fine. If you say things that you shouldn't, or talk about things that you shouldn't, then that could be a problem. So always be aware of that whenever you're online. Okay, so that tip, we'll see if that'll work for you. Then you would save it, and you could probably share it. Once it's shared, you also get a copy, right? Yeah, each member will get a copy of this, and then you can open it back up and work on it again. So I hope that works for you. I'm going to end this session for the moment so we can continue on with everything else.